Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you recover Instagram account on new update. So at first, just launch your Instagram app. Now here you can see login to another account, just click on it. Now after that, here you can see in the top right, you need to just put your username, email address or phone number, and in the second option you need to just give your password. And now if you have forgotten your password, click on forgotten password. Here you can see mobile number, just click on it and give your mobile number, and after that click on continue. But if you don't have the mobile number and if you have the email address, just click on search by email address instead, and after giving your email address you can just log in. But if you don't have that either, you can just log in with your Facebook. There are three ways that you can just log in, and by these three ways you can just recover your Instagram account. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.